Okay, never done this before, but here's a quick video. Front cab area, very comfortable, super sweet plan table, or I guess a bunk bed for your purposes. Here's the kitchen, three-burner stove, microwave with convection. We took out the table and chairs because we use this trailer as an office strictly. It's never actually been camping. We just bought it and parked it for work. This is a really deep pantry, same as the bottom. We use it for office stuff. And this table is actually pretty good because you can move this chair to the side and actually fit 2 chairs in there. And if you have a better view than we do, have a nice view. We took out the regular sofa, put a big sofa in for movie watching. And this folds up into a sofa, but we just turned it into a big sofa because we like it. We prefer that. Big refrigerator, television, I think it's 40-inch, I'm not sure. Fireplace. Here's the half bath. Medicine cabinet. Really like this under light because then you can see kind of what you're looking for. Just pretty standard, pretty roomy actually. And here's the bedroom, king bed with upper storage and drawers on the side. This mattress is actually about, I believe it's about 10 inches. It's brand new. Here's the closet. It's pretty big, enough to put a drawer underneath, but there's actually 8 drawers down here that go pretty deep. Same with this closet. Plenty of room for drawers. Here's the bathroom. And I actually took out the glass partition doors because it went straight across, where this folds in out of the way. Or if you want this to, for a shower, it pulls out and gives you a lot more room in the shower. And here is sink, washer, dryer. Love that thing. Wish I had one at home. And yes, a bidet. Can't tell you how much that saves on toilet paper. And if there's ever a toilet paper shortage, not for you. Upper storage. Here's a view from looking from the back forward. And that's about it.